All right, I'm going to show you guys how to put this thing together. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Set that over there. Get one of these. All right, so here is this is your tank. And at the top, they've got a little seal thing. You want to hang on to this. So let's just pop that off for now. I'll set that over there. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pull out this piece right here, which is your gauge. And it's where your mouthpiece goes. So what we want to do is pull this off. We don't want to lose it, because you need this, when you want to put it away. Make sure that O-ring's on there. And then you're going to set this on here, and you're just going to righty-tighty it. I'm spinning the tank to get it started, but then I can righty-tight this. So this is righty-tighty. The tank you would turn to the left. But you go ahead, you get her on there, just like that, nice and tight. Then you're going to grab your mouthpiece, and your mouthpiece goes right in here. And then you just got to twist that on. Get her on there. You want to make sure this is all on there good and tight so that you can use it right, you know what I mean? And depending on how you're going to hold the tank, you got to get your mouthpiece in the right position. So I would put it like this, I guess, and then the tank would be down lower. And then here is where you fill her up when you take it to the, when you hook your pump onto it. You follow me? And that's it. That's how you put it together, just like that. Now you do have, don't lose these. Remember I said, I'm going to set them right there for now. You do have your pouch here, which you can slide this into. Let me pull back a little bit, just like that. All right, so that goes on there like that. And then you have your straps that you're going to hook to it. And then they go on here, and that wraps around your body. You also have this little cord here that you can use, just so you don't lose it. And it does come with this thing if you want to take it to the dive shop to fill it. You know what I mean? Jelly beans. But yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it right there. So you would hook that up over here, and then they would put this on their dive thing to fill her. So you might want to do that. You might want to take it there. Now to break it down, it's pretty simple. You just go backwards like this. So I've got to go the opposite direction. And I'm going to tilt it up so I don't lose that O-ring. I want to make sure that O-ring stays on there. Then I'm going to immediately grab my little doohickey here and put it on there so I don't lose anything. And I'm going to immediately put this on there so I don't contaminate that. And then I'll just put her back in here for now. Now, as soon as we get the pump, we got to take this off. So you're going to go lefty-loosey, just like that. I'm going to set her back in here and put that back down in there. So yeah, I'll show you guys in another video how to hook all of this onto your body and how to pump it up with a pump. But that's basically how you put together. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on this and using it in our pool and in the ocean. Peace out.